My favorite summer dish, coconut shrimp in the air fryer. Let me show you how I made it. Grab a pound of shrimp and pat it dry. In a large bowl, mix together coconut flour, paprika, salt, pepper, garlic powder. Grab your shrimp and mix it in the flour mixture, some egg wash, and some shredded coconut. Do this to the rest of the shrimp. Then soak some bamboo skewers for at least 10 minutes to avoid them from burning, and assemble your skewers. Spray your air fryer tray with a little oil, add in your skewers, set it to 390 degrees for 4 minutes, then pull it out, flip them over, put them back in for another 3 to 4 minutes, and serve with some sweet chili sauce. Enjoy!
The best healthy zucchini chips you need to try. Grab 2 large zucchinis and cut them into very thin slices. Transfer them to a large bowl and add 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, half a teaspoon of paprika, garlic powder, and salt. Toss it up until well combined and then air fry at 390 degrees for about 20 minutes. While that's cooking up, we're going to make a yogurt dill sauce. It's just half a cup of Greek yogurt, the juice from 1 lemon, some fresh chopped dill, pressed garlic, and a dash of salt. These crispy zucchini chips are a delicious high-protein snack, and they're so easy to whip up. Be sure to follow for more healthy, easy recipes like this.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you see more videos as they come out.